Unique kitchen gadgets on Amazon. The kitchen is often considered the heart of a home, where food is prepared and shared with loved ones. With the rise of technology and innovation, there has been a surge in unique kitchen gadgets that can make cooking and food preparation easier, faster, and more fun. Amazon, the world's largest online retailer, has a vast selection of these unique kitchen gadgets, ranging from small tools to large appliances. Simple Human Liquid Sensor Pump. Keep your hands clean and germ-free at home or in a commercial setting with a Simple Human Liquid Sensor Pump. Designed with a high-efficiency pump to maximize forward flow, it dispenses soap or hand sanitizer in just 0.2 seconds. The Liquid Sensor Pump, which offers an 8 Os capacity, features flexible valve springs. This design provides a quick, steady flow and prevents messy drips. Moreover, this gadget uses batteries, which run for up to a year, to provide cord-free use, and its sleek design makes it convenient to store in the bathroom, in the kitchen, or in a public setting. Finally, its wide opening makes refills fast, easy, and mess-free. Overall, its touch-free design prevents germs from spreading and dispenses the exact amount of soap you need. SMEG DCF02 Coffee Machine. Adjust your coffee intensity with the SMEG DCF0250 style coffee machine. Featuring the option of light or intense strength, it adapts to how you prefer your cup of joe. Moreover, this 50s style coffee machine includes a keep warm mode to keep your beverage at the perfect temperature for up to 40 minutes, so you don't have to endure a cold cup of coffee anymore. The SMEG DCF02, which is available in 3 colors, features a 1.4-liter water capacity and 4 buttons for easy use. In fact, it's never been easier to make a cup of coffee in the morning. Furthermore, it boasts a programmable automatic start and the option to sound an alarm after brewing. That way, you'll be notified when your cup of coffee is ready. Overall, its unique retro style adds plenty of charisma to your kitchen setup. OXO Good Grips 6 pounds Precision Scale with Timer. Measure baking and cooking ingredients with precision with the OXO Good Grips 6 pounds Precision Scale with Timer. This kitchen accessory provides measurements from 0.5 to 0.1 gram intervals to provide accurate results. Moreover, it offers readings in various units, grams, ounces, and pounds, for plenty of versatility. All the while, the zero function resets the scale to 0 to add more ingredients in an instant. Furthermore, this OXO kitchen scale boasts an easy-to-read digital display with a sleek and compact design that's great for all uses. Above all, the surface is easy to clean, and a non-slip silicone mat protects it from heat damage and scratches. Finally, the built-in timer is perfect for pour-over coffee, and the shut-off feature saves the battery life over time. Vitamix Ascent Series Blenders. Combining power with sleek performance, the Vitamix Ascent Series Blenders will become your new favorite kitchen gadget. Available in 4 models, a 2300, a 2500, a 3300, and a 3500. These blenders include Salve DTCT technology to automatically recognize an attachment or container. Using wireless connectivity, the motor base automatically adjusts the maximum blending times to accommodate the container size you've chosen. Moreover, the Vitamix Ascent Series blenders boast up to 10 speeds, providing you with all the control and power you need. And the digital timer removes the guesswork from your recipes to help you achieve the perfect texture. All of these blenders also include a pulse feature, so you can create hearty soups, chunky pasta sauces, and more. Overall, these appliances encourage you to get more creative at mealtimes while having a helping hand. Chef Garlic Slicer. Impress your guests with perfectly sliced garlic in your favorite dishes. The Garlic Slice thinly slices garlic, no knife or cutting board needed. Simply fill, twist, and slice. Plus, it'll enhance the flavor of your dishes because sliced garlic offers a nuttier, milder flavor. Includes storage cap. The top rack dishwasher is safe by Chef'n. Chef'n began 20 years ago based on the principle that kitchen products could be a lot smarter, easier, more fun. Right from day one, Chef'n found an audience hungry for its brand of tasteful ingenuity. Air Hood. Make traditional kitchen venting history by replacing it with the AirHood wireless portable range hood. In fact, this beautiful range hood reduces cooking odors and oil residue from forming. Most importantly, it does the job of the fancy design you'd actually want to show off. Along with this, you also get the option of purchasing additional accessories. These include 3 options: base boost, spare oil filters, and spare charcoal filters. With dual filter technology, a portable design, quiet operational mode, and pre-speed settings, this kitchen gadget is totally one of a kind. You can also clean the entire range hood easily without much of a hassle. Overall, it is a complete game changer for modern kitchens that also comes with an aesthetic flair. The InnoChiller Fast Drink Cooler. Chill your wine, beer, and more in minutes with the InnoChiller Fast Drink Cooler. This wine gadget cools your beverages 5 minutes faster than ice and water. And if you forgot to put beer in the fridge, this gadget can have them cold in just 10 minutes. It also makes ice in just 30 minutes with the included ice tray. In fact, the InnoChiller works using forced convection. It quickens the airflow in your freezer or fridge, minimizing the chilling time. And yes, this beverage chiller fits in your freezer. Best of all, you don't need to add any pre-made ice to use the gadget. Moreover, this kitchen accessory can hold up to 6 cans, 2 wine bottles, or 1 tray of ice. That way, you always have cold beverages for your parties. RoboTwist Electric Jar Opener. The robotics jar opener easily opens even the toughest jar lids. It's as easy as setting it down on the lid, pressing the button, and watching it work. The robot strong vise of the robot twist locks on tight to the lid of any jar and unscrews it effortlessly. The next time you've got a tough jar to handle, count on a robot twist to give you the muscle you need. Store-bought sauces are great for dinners that require minimal cooking, but the jars can be tough to open for folks with arthritic hands, use of one hand only, or shakiness. Sarah uses a similar model in her kitchen, and online reviewers note that this particular model would be great for the elderly. 1/3 Food Scanners. Tackle the problem of food waste with the 1/3 Food Scanners. The series of products includes the handheld avocado ripeness checker, the ripeness checker supermarket, and the shelf life scanner. Using ad-powered technology, they can help growers, distributors, and grocers alike. That's because it helps them predict shelf lives with reliable data. Each device can help customers purchase the ripest produce, helping everyone in the life cycle of food minimize food waste. The technology predicts the shelf life of tomatoes, strawberries, blueberries, and avocados. In the future, it will support 10 types of produce, including grapes, bananas, mangoes, and raspberries. The ripeness checker will be used by grocery shoppers, giving them accurate information about when they will be able to eat the food. No need to squeeze and damage avocados. Kitchen Active Spiralizer Spiral Slicer. This hand-operated spiral cutter is simple to use and saves valuable time during food preparation. Just insert vegetable and twist. It requires no assembly, batteries, or electricity, and is compact for easy storage and portability. The ideal julienne veggie slicer for cooking quick, healthy meals and eating healthy on a budget at home or on the go. Make long ribbons, narrow spiral cuts, spaghetti-like shoestring cuts, and vegetable noodles, like zucchini pasta or other types of squash spaghetti. Julienne carrots for salads and stir-fries, prep ingredients for casseroles or a favorite vegetarian recipe. Julienne vegetables at 2 thicknesses. Use one end to cut strips 2 mm wide x 3 mm thick, and the other to cut strips 3.5 mm wide x 5 mm thick. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.